is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for the new viewers, what's up? So today's video is going to be a review slash unboxing slash try on. Yeah. So basically this whole video is about Kiko Milano. If you guys haven't heard of this company, I haven't heard of it either. It is a European company. I believe it actually is from Italy, but this brand is awesome. Like, I have nothing but good things to say about this brand, but go ahead and stay tuned to the video, guys, and we will go ahead and kickstart. Who is texting me? Bruh. So go ahead and stay tuned to the video, guys, and we'll go ahead and kickstart this unboxing, review slash haul. Yeah, all that. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, so if you haven't heard of Kiko Milano, this is a company that, because I'm in Germany, I actually found this company just walking down the street. This is an actual drugstore company, which blew my mind because I've never heard of it before. So most of the products that I use for my face is Kiko Milano, and I honestly think that it's a really, really good product. So we're gonna start off with the foundation. So first of all, the foundation that I use is called the Skin Tone Foundation, and it looks just like this. The packaging is very, very simple. It's nothing too crazy. It's just black packaging, simple, nothing really too fancy, right? Who is messaging? Nothing really too fancy. But one thing about these foundation is that I noticed that I'm actually surprised that they have my color. Like, this color matched me to the T. I am going to go ahead and upload a video of me using the foundation and also a eyeshadow tutorial, so you guys can actually see everything that I use dealing with Kiko Milano. For one, the foundation is really, really liquidy. So what I use is the actual Kiko Milano. Yeah, sorry that it's dirty, but I use the Kiko Milano Beauty Blender. What do I think about the Beauty Blender? I think that it's a little bit too hard. I kind of like the soft beauty blenders, like the Real Techniques Beauty Blender, where it's kind of soft, where you can actually, I don't know, it feels better. It feels like it loves me, and it just wants to go ahead and make sure that my face is filled with foundation. With this, all the foundation kind of gets soaked into the actual sponge, so majority of it isn't really being put onto my face. Now, when I went to the actual store, the Kiko Milano store, there was a representative that helped me out. She was so helpful. She helped me with everything, told me exactly what to get. I don't know if she's probably trying to get commission or something. I don't think they get commission, but she did help me with finding the foundation. Now, the foundation matches to the T of my skin tone. I had no issues finding it. This, I'm not sure that it is a full coverage foundation. This is a really light, this is a really light foundation, or this is a really light coverage foundation. Reason being is because you can still see I have like a little bit of dark marks. I have a little bit of dark marks right here on my face, and I tried using this foundation to cover it, and it definitely didn't cover. So I would say this is a light coverage foundation. This foundation, like I said before, is liquidy, so I did try to use a sponge, but it soaked up all of the product. So I'm guessing that the best way to use this will probably be a brush, just to massage it in, or you could just use a different type of beauty blender sponge, and it could be able, maybe something lighter, so that you can actually flow it in. Another thing about this is SPF 15, which is bomb, because even though for my women of color out there, you need SPF. No matter how dark you are, etc., you need SPF so that you can take care of your skin. So this has SPF in it. You don't have to worry about anything when it comes to putting on sunscreen or anything. This already has it. Another thing that's really cool about this is it has a scent. So if you're not a person who likes fragrant smelling type of foundations and stuff, you probably won't like this, but this one does have a scent, and it kind of smells like maybe a little bit of like vanilla mixed with, I don't know, like it's like a vanilla type of smell, but it's not too strong. Yeah, it doesn't really smell too strong, but I really do like the scent of it. I don't know if I would wear this for a long time. Maybe the scent might be annoying. Maybe the scent could be a little bit weird, especially when you're trying to wear perfumes. The scent might throw off your perfume or whatever. But overall, I think that the product is really great. And it definitely, the main thing that I loved is that it matched my skin tone, and I was really shocked when that happened. So the other product that I got was, along with the foundation, was the concealer, and this concealer is really nice. The only thing that I wish is that it was a little bit bigger. Like, the foundation is 1.1 or 1.01 fluid ounces, and the concealer is how big is the concealer? The concealer is 0.11 fluid ounces. So this is the foundation and this is the concealer. Like, it's really small. I wish they had like just a bigger concealer that you can use. But along with the foundation, the concealer really does a great job concealing. As you can see, like, the highlight underneath my cheeks, really nice. I think it gives it a natural look. And what I use to set it, I use the Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set it. I'm not sure if they have their own setting powder. I'm not 100% sure, but I did use their highlighter, which I'll talk about later. So with this concealer, the color that I got was 8. This is the color 8. The concealer, when you pull it out, it has a small applicator, so you can actually apply it easily, and you're able to blend it out perfectly. Now, what I used to blend this concealer out, I actually used, what did I use? I used a regular foundation brush just to pat it on, and then I also went in with the Beauty Blender just to kind of blend everything out, and to blend out the harsh lines, I used the bottom of the Beauty Blender. But the concealer definitely has a scent, and the scent is similar to the actual foundation. So overall, it seems like the whole entire line probably has some type of scent to it. That's pretty much for the concealer. The concealer is really nice. It does have a watery consistency to it, so when you do apply it, it feels a little bit wet. It doesn't like just automatically stick there. It gives you a little bit of playroom, which, oh geez, it gives you a little bit of playroom, which I like, because as a beginner, you want to be able to apply the product and not really work fast, because you don't really know what you're doing, right? So I just applied the product and I slowly start to blend everything in, and it worked out perfectly. I had no issues at all. Perfect. Alright, so the next product that I have is the Kiko Milano, and this is the Glow Waves highlighter. So the Glow Waves highlighter honestly is bomb. Like, this highlighter is so beautiful. The packaging is really cute. It's just really small packaging, gold, something really pretty simple. And this is what it looks like. This nice golden package. Oh my gosh. And when you open it up, you have your mirror here and then this color here. This highlighter is bomb. I'm telling you, it is bomb. And as you can see, it's on my nose, and I just put a little bit on my nose. I like the shiny highlight on my nose, and then it's also on my cheeks, as you can see. But I'm gonna show you. Let me do a quick swatch. So excuse my nails, they broke, okay, just forget that. But I'm gonna do a quick swatch just to show you guys exactly how awesome this highlighter is. Hold on, I got you. So this is what the highlighter looks like. Like, look at that. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. It is perfect. Oh my gosh, like, that highlighter is so pretty, right? Oh, that is so pretty. It looks really nice. I love the highlighter, and also along with the highlighter, it does have a fragrance. So this smells kind of like baby powder with a little bit of lemon, I guess. Or no, actually it smells like baby powder with a little bit of vanilla. Yeah, it seems, I'm guessing it seems like the whole entire line has like a smell to it. I don't have an issue with the smell, but this is freaking amazing. So if you guys have a Kiko Milano out there, go ahead to the store and get this highlighter. It is called the Golden Waves highlighter, and I believe this is in the shade, what is this? It's in the shade 2. They have 2 of them. One of them, this one is more of like a golden color, so I thought this would be perfect for my skin tone. There is a lighter one, but I thought it was a little bit too right. It was more of a frosty type shade, and I didn't really like that. So I got this one, and this one is perfect, works perfectly, had no issues, nothing like that, and it's perfect. The next thing that I purchased was, obviously I showed you the beauty blender. This beauty blender, it definitely, well, it came in a package just like this, just a small plastic packaging with the beauty blender inside. The beauty blender I'm not really a fan of. It's too hard. I wish it was a little bit softer, and yeah, and I wish they had more of like a point so that I could get real deep into like the creases underneath my eyes, so I could actually do the highlighting perfectly, like especially setting it with powder and all of that other stuff. But that's it for the beauty blender. The other product that I got, which is actually on my lips right now, this is the Kiko Milano Instant Color Matte Lip Color Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the color 08. I don't know if they have actual names for their colors, but this is 08 and it looks just like this. Don't get crazy or freaked out of how pink it looks. This is how it looks on my lips. I outlined my lips using the MAC Bittersweet Lip Pencil, and then I use this inside, and I just pretty much like kind of smush my lips together, just like that, and blend it out, and it looks perfect. Like, it's not too bright, it doesn't give you this crazy like clownish look, and I think it just melts into my skin perfectly, and there's no, like, it's really, really good. So when you open it, the applicator itself is really, really soft, and I like it. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. The next thing that I have is this. Oh my, this is so beautiful. This is the Long Lasting Wet and Dry Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade 235, and it looks just like this. And if you guys don't know what this is, I used it in my Ellery Berry Blondes remake tutorial, and if you guys want to see that tutorial, I'll go ahead and link it up here so you guys can see it. But this shade is so beautiful. It's a really nice deep golden color, and the pigment I wish was a little bit, I wish the pigment was a little bit lighter. For how it looks on here, it doesn't really appear to have that much pigment when I put it on, and you guys will see. I actually, when I put it on, I had to spray the brush and then apply it, and I still thought it wasn't too much of a really deep, bright, like pow, you know, this is your bronze shade color type pigment. The only pigment eyeshadow that I've seen that's like that is the Juvia's Place, any of the Juvia's Place palette. Extremely pigmented, very, very easy to use, and I mean, Juvia's Place is bomb. So yeah, if you guys want to use that, go ahead and use it. But this one is not too bad. This is definitely beginner friendly. I would say to go ahead and try this out if you want. Am I a huge fan of it? Kind of. I mean, I still use it every day to day, and this would be a really, 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 really great highlighter shade as well. So instead of using, let's say going up by a highlighter, you go ahead and use this as a really nice bronzy type of highlight. What I also got was an eyeshadow palette, and the Kiko Milano has two eyeshadow palettes that I saw and I loved. I wish I would have bought the other one, but I don't know, I was like a little bit kind of hesitant on it a little bit, but I got this one. This one is the Smart eyeshadow palette, the Cult eyeshadow palette, Kiko Milano, and these are the colors. Like, look at the colors of this thing. The colors are so pretty, so pretty, so beautiful. This gives you a bunch of nude shades. You have your one bright color, which is this nice light sky blue, which I love. And then everything else is pretty nice nude shades. All of these are matte colors, so you don't have to worry about getting any type of shimmery shade. If you want a shimmery shade, they have a complete palette that has nothing but shimmery shades. I think the palettes kind of go together. One is a matte shade, or one is a matte palette, the other one's a shimmery palette. But the colors really do show up on darker skin tones. So this is, I wouldn't say it's very pigmented, but it does show up really well. What I used is this entire palette for this eyeshadow look. So I will leave the link to that up here somewhere for you guys, so you guys can see that, and you can have an idea of exactly what I use and how it actually works, or how it looks. So let me come up a little bit closer and show you guys. This is how the pigment picked up, and this is exactly how the eyeshadow looks. Overall, I don't think it looks bad at all. I think that the color showed up really well. there are some palettes out there that no matter how much product you put on your brush and you apply it to your eyes, it doesn't show up at all. So for this one, it worked out perfectly, and I was very, very satisfied with it. And yeah, I have no problems. So the packaging for this is the same Kiko Milano package. The dark or the black, very plain, very simple. Nothing like the Rihanna packaging at all, at all. But this is fine perfectly. It's really, really good for a drugstore product, and I have no problem with it at all. So overall, what is my view about Kiko Milano? I think that this company is pretty great. The main thing that got me so attached to this company is the fact that they had my skin tone in their foundation. So that's bomb. Another thing that's really unique about this product is the fact that everything has a scent. So just like I said, if you guys do not like the scented fragrances or the scented foundation, concealer, or even highlighter, do not get this product. But if you do have a Kiko Milano store nearby, go ahead and try it. I'm pretty sure you could probably get samples. I haven't really talked to the sales rep to actually find out about that, but I'm pretty sure you could go ahead and get samples of it. Everything is drugstore products, so I don't think I spent over $50 for one item. Okay, so in total for everything, it costs about $96, and that's like including everything: the foundation, the concealer, the brush, the eyeshadow palette, the highlighter, the beauty blender, the liquid lipstick and the regular lipstick, and also the blending brush, and the eyeshadow, like this mini eyeshadow. So all of that was $94, and I don't really think that's too bad. The only thing that I wish is if they did have a setting powder or a complete overall face powder. I didn't see it in my shade. I know that they have it for Caucasian women, not really women of color, but that shouldn't stop you from trying the product. Go ahead and try it if you want to. So guys, that's it for this video. I know it's very detailed. I know that I've pretty much been blabbering on, but I wanted to make sure that you guys got all the information that I have for this product. If I did miss something, I will go ahead and link it down in the description box below so you guys can know. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please, if you like it, go ahead and give it a good old thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload, you will be notified like ASAP. It basically says, Bing, Megatika12 has uploaded. So go ahead and check our video. Click yes. Don't forget to go ahead and comment, guys. I don't know if you guys tried these products, but if you have, go ahead and comment and tell me your experience with the products. Are they sweat proof? Are they good for oily skin, dry skin? Are they good for combination skin? Let me know your own personal experience with this product if you tried it. If you have any questions about this product, I will do my best to answer it for you. But thanks again, guys, for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.